Hi guys, you are watching my YouTube channel Zeto Tech. In this video, I will tell you about how to upload videos and how to upload channel logo and channel watermark in YouTube channel. So first, we open channel customization setting and first you open channel branding. You can check and customize the channel. You can see the here is the option of customize setting, layout, branding, basic info. So we can select basic in branding, upload. You can get the download and you can see the logo. First we can select the white logo and open. You can make the small size, sure the logo design is format and the correct size. The transparent PNG work best for the logos. You can also make the PNG transparent file without background. Login in the YouTube channel. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube channel. Like you can also select the watermark of logo design like this. The entire video we can make the small size and let make done. Then we can make the done. You can see the here is the option of entire video and we can make publish. After the publish you can see the channel in next few seconds. Your channel is ready for the display the logo. YouTube says change publish and we can say the logo how it's look like. Oh, I think my internet connection is slow, that's why I not see any new update here, but let me check again. We can refresh and let me check first again. After this you can also select on customize setting, and when you customize setting you can check your logo and your watermark is already uploaded like this. You can check Zeto Tech and you can also refresh. I think my internet is slow, that's why your logo is not show here, but after like 1 to 3 minutes logo design is shown in my profile. Like I again go to the customize setting, the like now I check view channel and let me see. Now you can check, you can see the Zeto tag. You see you can go again branding, you can change the file or remove this one and you can upload the second one. If you has two concept you can make the second one. I like this with yellow background so I can go with this Zeto tag and we make done. After done we can publish this, and after this sorry video watermark entire video, and I will change this also with yellow color. You can check this now, it's open and you can make it in small size like this. And after make it small size you can go with publish. After publishing, after 3 to 4 minutes you can see the new update and you can see the new logo design in your YouTube channel. It's very easy to how to upload logo design in YouTube channel. It's very easy trick. You also subscribe my channel Zeto Tech and press the bell icon for more videos. In this channel I will tell you about logo design like banners, graphic design, social media marketing like banners, business card. If you have any information about logo design or any information you need about banners, please tell me. I will here for your help. In this channel I will tell you about proper graphic designing course and like logo designing, how to create banner, how to upload banners, how to upload videos on YouTube channel, and all about new technology video. I will tell you about new technology video. You can check the logo design that I make for my YouTube channel. You also make perfect logo for your YouTube channel, and you know that logo design is most important for your brand and business. please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos.